Hello! In this video, we'll practice listening to improve both comprehension and pronunciation skills. Listen to the clip and repeat it 2 or 3 times a day for a week, and you'll notice a clear improvement in your English understanding. Remember, repetition is the magic key to learning any language easily.
Hello, Mark. How was your day?
Hello, Lele. Thank God. It was a bit busy, but manageable. And you, how are you today?
I'm fine, though I feel a strong need for a change of atmosphere. I was thinking about going out for a bit. Would you be free to meet today or tomorrow?
That's a very good idea. I was thinking the same, actually. Let me see. Today might be a bit difficult. I have some commitments until late. But tomorrow looks much better.
No problem. We can postpone the meeting until tomorrow. Do you prefer the afternoon or evening?
I think the afternoon would suit me better. Maybe around 4 or 5 o'clock. What do you think?
4 o'clock sounds good. I like that time. It's not too early and not too late.
Perfect. So we'll meet tomorrow at 4. Would you prefer a calm, relaxed meeting and just talk a little? Or do you feel like doing something different?
I think I just need a quiet conversation and some time away from the noise of daily life. Nothing more than a simple gathering with someone who makes me feel at ease.
And that's exactly what I need too. I'm no longer looking for wild adventures. A true friend and a cup of sincere conversation is more than enough.
That was beautifully said, Mark. I feel like we haven't had a proper talk in a while, and maybe this is a good chance to reconnect the way we used to.
I completely agree. It's been a long time since we sat and spoke honestly and calmly. Tomorrow will be a good day. I can feel it.
And I feel the same. I'll make sure to keep my schedule clear. And if anything urgent comes up, I'll let you know right away. But I don't think anything will stop me.
Same here. I'll send you a message when I'm on my way. Don't be late.
Don't worry. I'll be right on time. See you tomorrow. And I hope you have a peaceful evening.
Thank you. Have a lovely evening too, Lele. See you tomorrow.